you regularly use the same toll plaza near your home, getting a FASTag local pass is now easier. The National Highways Authority of India, or NHAI, has expanded its digital FASTag local pass facility to 121 toll plazas across India. And the biggest change is this: you no longer need to visit the toll plaza physically to apply. So who can get this pass? How does it work? And what do you need? Let's break it down. Under the new system, residents living within 20 kilometers of an eligible toll plaza can apply for a monthly local pass through the Rajmarg Yatra mobile app. Now, once approved, eligible commuters can make unlimited trips through that particular toll plaza during the month, subject to the applicable rules. Earlier, getting this pass meant going to the toll plaza, submitting documents and providing that you lived within the required 20-kilometer radius. Now, much of that verification happens digitally. The system uses platforms such as the DigiLocker or Vahan to verify details which include your residential address, your vehicle information, and also the FASTag linked to your vehicle. It also uses GIS-based verification to check whether your registered address actually falls within the 20-kilometer limit or not. So you don't have to manually submit all those documents at the toll plaza now. This facility isn't available at every toll plaza either. It currently only covers 121 toll plazas across the country, and NHAI says more toll plazas will be added in the coming months. The first digital local pass was launched in July this year at the Mundka Bakarwala toll plaza on Delhi's Urban Extension Road. Following that rollout, the facility has now been expanded to more than 120 toll plazas. So if you are a regular commuter who crosses the same toll plaza quite frequently, this could make a significant difference to your daily travel. But remember, the 20-kilometer rule applies only to eligible toll plazas, and you still have to meet the applicable eligible conditions. You can check whether your toll plaza is covered through the official Rajmarg Yatra local pass facility. The larger idea here is to make the entire process digital, from checking your address to verifying your vehicle and FASTag, instead of making commuters deal with paperwork and physical visits. So in short, if you live within 20 kilometers of an eligible toll plaza, you can apply for the monthly local pass online through the Rajmarg Yatra app. Your address and vehicle details can be verified digitally now, and if you are eligible, you can use that toll plaza for unlimited travel during that month according to the applicable provisions. For frequent local commuters, the biggest change is this: less paperwork, no trip to the toll plaza, and a completely digital application process.